Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today this video is going to be a clean with me and we're cleaning something that most of us use all the time, and that's our diffuser. I have several and I've pulled them all together and I'm going to show you how I clean mine. And if you have any ideas, better ideas, please let me know. I am using a cap full of Clorox in my water, as you will see here. And some people, I did some research, don't use Clorox. They prefer to use vinegar or alcohol. I think the next time I do it, I'm going to try the alcohol, but today, as you can see, I'm using a cap full of Clorox. What I'm going to do is let the bottoms soak because that's where the oil and every grime and everything gets. And I'm going to do the tops first. So I'm putting the tops in the water, and then I'll put some of the water solution that I have here and let the bottoms soak for a while I clean the tops. Also, I think this is a good idea to clean these because I use my diffuser to clear the air, to keep it fresh, to help with my asthma. And so if you're using one that hasn't been cleaned recently, and I'll show you the bottom of one of mine that I use a lot, it gets cruddy, and that can't be good for your lungs either. So I'm thinking they should all be cleaned on occasion. So I'm going to set this to music and we're going to clean our diffusers. And I'm using a toothbrush. Let me say this. I'm using a toothbrush and a rag. And in the water, I have dishwashing liquid and a cap of Clorox. Okay? So come on in and let's get started. Hey guys, if you haven't already, how about hitting that subscribe button below? And once you do, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. This is a lifestyle channel and I do cleaning, cooking, DIYs, crafting, decorating, house tours, all of the above. And I'd love it if you would become a part of our little community over here. Also, you can check me out on Instagram at A Cozy Life with um, and on Facebook as well. I would love to have you visit me on Instagram and Facebook. I do a lot of things on Instagram that are fun, and sometimes I even do stories. I'm getting better at that. So please come on and join the community. It won't cost you a dime and it'll help my channel. And while you're at it, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this content and leave me some comments in the comment section below. So let's get back to this video.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons.